Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, well, I guess you can't really see yet because there's no landmarks, but we are in Chicago. We got in last night, so I'm going to show you guys more of like our hotel and everything that we're staying at later. But we just got in really late, like 12 p.m. That was like our time, so 11 p.m. Chicago time, and just went straight to bed basically. But now got coffee and we're heading to our first lunch spot, which is Italy Chicago, which is pizza and Italian and deliciousness. So we're gonna go check out the city and get some grub. Starting with some bread, as I already dipped into it, and some olive oil. It is so fresh, all of this. We both got a ravioli to start. So Adam's is pork shoulder stuffed. That was really hard to get out. And then mine is ricotta filled, which I absolutely love, and there's like pistachios and of course Parmesan cheese. And what's cool about this place is all this pasta is made fresh daily. That is their secret. So excuse us while we go digging. Sorry, gotta mention, Adam said I had to mention, there's truffle oil on his and he's very excited about it.
Mozzarella?
I think so.
That is fresh mozzarella.
Wow. A little rainy if you can't tell on our first day in Chicago, but that's okay because we're gonna go check out 360 Chicago, and we got one of those city passes, the Go Chicago Pass, which is awesome because it gets us free entry into this, because with your pass we have a 3-day thing, so we can just go to all these attractions with this one pass. So we're gonna go check it out and see some rainy views of Chicago. Doesn't feel like you're in Chicago anymore. Good little escape from the rain in here too.
You look warm.
And as much as I want to get the half price rosé they have right now, I have a mocktail. But I'm going to use my mocktail with this photo though anyways, because it is looking delicious. And a little tip for anyone looking for this place, there are 2 locations in Chicago. So make sure you're clicking the right one in Google Maps, because we did not, and we walked to the further one and then had to come back. So make sure you're going to the right location. Just a little tip. And then you can see this beautiful sign. Definitely a Chicago spot that you have to see. And the food looks delicious. It is now later on. We are at the Guaranteed Rate Field here in Chicago. We're going to see the White Sox play against the Blue Jays, which I'm so excited about because it's our hometown people at a different stadium. So not only the people here are going to like us very much because we're cheering for the Blue Jays, but that is okay. We got some White Sox gear anyway, so I'm just going to cheer for both teams, and that way I win both times. We made it to the 500 level to check out the view. This is so cool. Just a couple of Blue Jay fans. We got our hats, shirt, blanket, you know, just had a White Sox game. We also have a White Sox shirt that was given to us, so we're going for both teams, like I said. But we are right behind the plate, watching the game. This field's really cool with all the views. And there's some fireworks after too. It's not a baseball game if you don't get some baseball food. Got some buffalo chicken fries. Ooh! Oh, we don't want that to happen.
Alright, sorry, we're back.
Starting our morning at the ETA restaurant here at Lowe's Chicago. And I'm starting with, they have these fresh pressed juices. So I got the first one, the kale, apple, lemon, and wheatgrass. And it is honestly so delicious. I think it's a good way to get all my vitamins and everything I need in for the day. And then there's actually so many good things on the menu. I think I am going to get this one, the cauliflower hash, which sounds really good. And possibly a latte because I need a little bit of coffee today. And Adam has his eyes on the steak and eggs, which sounds pretty normal for him. It's our second day in Chicago and we just went and had breakfast, as you saw, at ETA Chicago, which is a restaurant here at Lowe's, the hotel that we're staying at. And yesterday was a little bit of a rainy day, as you also saw, but there were so much things to do in the city that you don't need like the perfect sunshine. So we went to like the Ferris wheel at Navy Pier. We went, what else did we do? We went to 360 Chicago, so went up and saw the views there, had some delicious lunch, just walked around the city. It was awesome. Went to a baseball game, so there was so much to do. And now today is going to be a very sunny day, which I am excited about. You can already see the sun shining and the river. So our plan is to go on a cruise, a river cruise today. We want to go do that. We're gonna go to Skydeck for dinner, which is like pie in the sky, which is gonna be really cool. So make sure you see that on this vlog because this is one thing I'm super excited about here in Chicago. Then what else do we have? Just kind of walk around and explore and kind of see what we find. So let's get started on our second day in Chicago.
The boat is going to be like 80 degrees today. How's everybody doing? All right, thank you. Welcome aboard the Shoreline Sightseeing Vessel Evening Star. We're going to get going on our 75-minute architecture tour on the Chicago River. Evening Star T building, so it's mostly Greek revival, columns at the base and at the top. The temple on top is called the cupola. Either Gothic or Greek, arguably, built for jewelers. So if you can't take your mask down or won't, you have to wait till Wednesday and Saturday night.
We came up to the Skydeck, which is once again in our city pass, the Go Chicago pass. But I will warn you, it is a Saturday afternoon. It is complete chaos up here. It is so many people. It is nuts. So a good little tip, come early. And there's also a huge lineup just to get into the little boxes that you want to take photos. So we basically came up here, doing a quick video, and we're in the line now to get back down. It is just completely nuts coming at this time. It's crazy. We are coming back later tonight for Pie in the Sky, which I think will be a much better experience. You get to have dinner on the 99th floor and have like deep dish pizza, and then you get access to come up to the 103rd floor, which is here. And I think it's going to be less busy and probably a lot better because, like I said, it is complete chaos right now. It's nuts and yeah. And you see like this line just to exit. Back there is just the line just to go into the little boxes that everyone takes photos in. So I mean, you wait to come up, and then you're probably going to wait another half an hour just to take a three-minute time window to take a photo in those windows. So maybe Pie in the Sky or come early for this. So today we're at a place called Latinicity for lunch here in Chicago, and it's like a food hall. So there's 9 different restaurants here, and they give you a card. Where is my card? So you come in and you get one of these guys. So this is like your card for all your food. So you go to each vendor or location, it's all like within one spot, and you pick your food you want, they swipe your card, and you can just like keep adding it on. And then at the end you check out, they swipe your card, and you pay. So there's like all different types of food. It is awesome. So we have, Adam picked up some sushi that he's obviously already ate, and now he's going to go find a fish taco. I got the veggie taco, which apparently they are known for, like it's very popular. Adam also wanted to try a beef taco, and then, excuse me, and then I also wanted to try some salmon. So I got the salmon. It has a little bit of guacamole and arugula salad on it, which looks delicious. And then there's also a dessert place over here. So I might be going over there to get some cheesecake at the end, possibly. And then there's also a bar over there.